The ginkgo leaves in the sunshine.
Hello, Chef here. So I'm here today in one of the kitchens and I got something special for you. I'm going to be making ginkgo tea, and I've got this fresh ginkgo leaves here from the Ginkgo Biloba tree. One of my neighbors has this tree. It's really awesome. These have been around for thousands of years, and they come male and female. This is the male version of the tree, I believe. So you want to find a young tree, a small tree. These trees live for hundreds of years, and the young ones have more tender leaves. I'm going to be removing the leaves like this with a pair of scissors and discarding the rest into a compost pile. Stems have been removed. And remember, in the food world, this is an edible plant here. You can find these ginkgo leaves dried, different markets, things like that. Hello, Chef here with yet another recipe for you. Health and longevity. Ginkgo, the ginkgo leaf. So I'm making ginkgo tea, and I'm doing it another way. If you watch my other videos or search ginkgo on this channel, you're going to find one of the tea recipes. Now here's another one. I'm just going to take these leaves and give them a rough chop, like this. Okay, there we go. This should be good for tea. I've got just a rough chop of my ginkgo leaves. I'm going to put them in a pan, and I'm going to let them dry in the sun. And then once they're dry, I'll continue with another ginkgo tea recipe. Oh yeah.
The ginkgo leaves in the sunshine. Just a few hours later, and they're all dry and ready to be used or stored. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe for more healthy tips to help you live longer. Improve your health. Oh yeah.
Fortify, there's a little bit of green tea, as I drink green tea every day. So let's put a little green tea in there as well. It's going to give it a little more color, make it a little bit more tasty. And of course, personally, I love honey with my tea, so I'll put a little bit of honey in there as well. Honey's very good for you. Cheers to your health. Oh yeah. Wow, delicious, beneficial. Thanks for watching. Check out the next video where I'm doing more with the ginkgo leaves. And be sure to consult a physician if you're not sure about changes to your diet. I'm just giving you some suggestions to help you live healthier, live longer, get cooking, and wow, enjoy all that nature has to offer out there. Oh, it's gonna be good. These are thick, sticky, fat, juicy, #1 grade Madagascar beans. They also have a variety of beans from all over the world. You can also contact the sponsor if you need gallons of extract, vanilla paste, or other gourmet vanilla products. So this is what I'm talking about right here. Sticky, the sticky. Let's get into the sticky. Oh yeah, I'm going to put a little on this knife. By the way, this is a Japanese Damascus knife. You can learn more about this on the channel. Just search Japanese Damascus knives and you're going to learn about these things. Really, really nice. Now, look at what I got here. This is full flavor. This is where all the flavor comes from, out of the vanilla bean right there. Just leave a little bit off the neck here for fermentation, and also because every now and then you're going to give a little shake. You're going to tip it back and forth. You want those air bubbles to move around the seed specks, which you can already see. I did the sweet and sour sauce 2 ways today. Gonna put some down like this. So you're buying a Japanese knife online? Do your research. Professional chefs use our knives around the world. Check it out. Finish with a little bit of fresh grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Wow. With proper care and maintenance, they will last you for decades. Wow. The perfect cooking surface. So as a professional chef, I get asked all the time, what is a safe cutting board? This is the one you've seen on TV. Professional chefs use them, and there's a good reason why. It's going to be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. In my kitchens, I have several. This one here is going on Oh, I think this end grain rock maple is over 20 years old now. It's been cut on 1,000,000 times. The knife does not hurt it. It's the hardest surface you want for your knife contact like this. Cutting, chopping, slicing, dicing will not hurt the knife blade, will not hurt the block. Check your sponsor there. They're having a free shipping sale. Exceptional. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without a juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5 inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. You're gonna like it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,